Assalamualaikum and greetings to our lecturer for Principles of Management, Dr. Jauria binti Shamsuddin. I am the first presenter for our group project, which is Group Head, and the title of our report is We Talk Co. First of all, our group consists of 10 members and our leader is Yun Wahyun, and I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Alisha binti Muhammad Ali and my metric number is 277503. I'll present the first part of our report, which is what is management. Management is a group of principles related to the functions of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. The application of these principles are used in utilizing physical, financial, human, and information resources efficiently and effectively to achieve organizational goals. Next, management pursue organizational goals efficiently and effectively. Efficient in management represents on how an organization lower the cost by using the resources such as people, raw materials, and money wisely, while effective is doing something right by making the right decision and leading the whole organization to achieve their goals. Lastly, our company, We Talk Co, is a company who also has organizational management like the other companies in Malaysia, namely the objectives, strategy, and vision of the business organization to achieve the goals of an organization. The We Talk Co company team will work together to achieve the same goal, and the company teams also have their own respective divisions of tasks. Next is the management process. As we know, management process is planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. I'll be discussing about the three parts of management process, and the first of it is planning. Planning is where We Talk Co sets their goals so that their organization will work very hard to achieve their expectation and also to make sure that they can brainstorm to think the right way to make their organization reach the target. Every We Talk Co staffs have the responsibility in every task assigned to them to reach the organizational goals. In this process, they will build a mission and vision for We Talk Co organization. Next is organizing. This is also the process where managers arrange the tasks, people, and other resources to accomplish their work. We Talk Co has built a complete organization structure, and organizing should be done systematically so that the goals can be achieved. As an example, We Talk Co uses social media like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to promote the Tune Talk network to more users. Lastly is leading. In this process, the manager must ensure that all tasks can be performed properly. This activity involves providing guidance, motivation, and facility assistance. The manager of We Talk Co motivate, direct, and influence their staff to work hard to achieve the organization's goals by having a good relationship between employers and employees and a spirit of cooperation to produce more efficient and viable work. That's all for me. I may pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Yuni Wahyuni binti Rahmat. My metric number is 278102. I will continue with controlling. Controlling was the last process in the controlling process where performance monitoring activities are done by ensuring that planned activity are implemented and run smoothly and corrective action to ensure the achievement of organization goals. We Talk Co take appropriate action to unserious employee. We Talk Co management also need to monitor the performance and compare it with their goals before taking corrective action. Manager and employee of We Talk Co must improve each other weakness for the common good and achieve the goal of organization that have been set. Next is type of manager. Type of manager divide into four: top level manager, middle manager, first line manager, and team leader. First is top level manager. Top level manager is the one who responsible for making organization wide decision, establish the plan and goals that organization. Top level manager will make the decision that will broad impact on the firm. In response to the government's demand that business comply with the complicated rules and regulation, a new executive post known as the Chief Compliance Officer (CCO) is popping up on WeTalk co-organization chart. The value of these roles varies depending on the type of organization they lead. Next is middle manager. They are found between first line manager and top manager. Departments head, directors, and chief supervisors are all titles used by middle managers. They are one or two layers below the top manager and serve as liaison between them and the first line managers. Middle managers take serious managers' board strategic ideas and turn them into operational blueprint for the first line managers, complete with detailed target and initiative. WeTalk's middle manager also promote, encourage, and develop talent employees within the company. They have a crucial role in delivering leadership, both in implementing top-level instruction and in enabling first-line manager to support teams and properly report both positive and negative performance in their company. Number three is first line manager. First line manager are the entry level of management, the people who are on the front line and have the most direct interaction with employees. They are directly accountable for ensuring that the organization's goal and strategy are carried out successfully. Assistant managers, shift manager, foreman, section head, and office manager are all terms used to describe them. First line manager in Witoko are nearly entirely focused on the organization's internal concern, and they are the first to notice difficulties with the business operation, such as untrained staff, poor quality material, machinery breakdown, or new producer in hinder productivity. It is critical that they communicate with the middle management on a frequent basis.
My name is Anis Atira binti Zakaria and my metric number is 280991. I will be explaining about what is team leader. Team leader is a type manager who assigned to oversee a certain task of activity. Usually, the first line or the middle manager will report to the team leader. The team leader's responsibilities including creating deadlines, assign particular tasks, providing training to the team members, giving instruction, and ensure that the team is running at full efficiency. The team leader job might be eliminated once the assignment is completed, and a new team with a new team leader will be assigned on a different assignment. Next, I will be explaining about what is organization. Organization in general is two or more people working together to achieve specific goals. Witopco is a for-profit organization which is formed to make profit by offering Witalk SIM cards. Our company are using three levels of organization culture, which is observable artifact, espouse value, and basic assumption to ensure the best overall performance every year in the organization. And our organization is more to hierarchy culture because we already established a formalized structure work environment and our focus is more to internal aspects. We thought core goals is to satisfy the needs of mobile virtual network consumers by offering quality and cost-effective network devices, specifically the WeTalk network. This is the organization chart for WeTalk. Our company is led by owner and general manager. Our company has 6 departments, which is HR, finance, business logistics, information and communication technology, research and development, and marketing. And this department led by one manager. And we have 2 personnel, which is from manufacturing and acquisition. Other than that, our organization chart also have 3 levels, which is top level, middle level, and lower level. The top level are the owner and the general manager, while the middle level is HR manager, finance manager, business logistic manager, information and communication technology manager, research and development manager, and marketing manager. And Lastly, the lower level is the manufacturing personnel and acquisition personnel.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kasdan Aisyah binti Muhammad Zaidi and my metric number is 281987. Today I am going to talk about the importance of the organization to the company. First, the importance of the organization is as reference list. It is served as a reference to know the rank and the responsibilities assigned in the organization. In addition, it is also describe the size and operational capabilities of the organization. Next it is to distinguish positions. Every position is an organization requires a different organization management. Third is to identify employers and employees. Get a solid team in the organization by get to know each other. And lastly, to perform responsibilities. Each of the duties and responsibilities of the staff must be complete and not exceed the prescribed authorities. Next, I'm going to talk about the responsibilities in the organization. First, we got owner. The owner of the company has a huge responsibility in making every decision. In addition, they also will ensure that his employees carry out their respective assigned duties. Furthermore, they are also responsible for leading the development of the company in short-term or in a long-term strategies. Next, the company owners are also responsible for assessing risks and setting goals for the company and ensuring they are monitored and minimized. Next, I'm going to talk about the general manager. A manager is an individual who must organize, leads and manage the human, financial, physical and information resource in an organization. In addition, the manager is responsible for monitoring all operation and college are in good condition and under control. Furthermore, they also need an approach to determine the future direction of the company. Third is human resource manager. Human resource manager responsible to ensure that the entire administration will run smoothly. In addition, the human resource manager also will ensure that all the welfare of the company employees is being taken care. Among the human resource provided by the company is requirement, give cash bonus, then provide guidance to consumer employees and can create needy also dedicated employee. And fourth is financial manager. One of the most important responsibilities of financial management staff is to ensure that each department develops, implements and adheres to internal business control. These responsibilities can include analysis of financial statements, helping to forecast sales and inventory, also analyzing expense to assist in the budget planning. In addition, other work may include cash flow management for the fund business or hand for day-to-day needs and minimizing the need to use external fund resource. We also need in the company to maximize profits.
Assalamualaikum. My name Nur Shima Ayu. My metric number 282080. I will continue description of the responsibility in the organization. First, business logistic manager. It responsible in coordinating the movement of material along the inventory chain. It also serves as a controller of the movement of people and equipment. Next is the information and communication technology manager, which have responsibility in provide, manage, monitor and improve database, server and security. In the other word, all related to information system and communication technology will be under supervision of the information and communication technology manager. Next, research and development R&D manager will be responsible in developing and improve either a product or services, like development of new product and also improvement the existing product or the improvement of the production process. The number 8 is marketing manager. This manager one of the important role in organization where it work with the financial manager to increase the sale. Marketing manager is responsible for implement and analyze market strategy like advertisement and promotion. Next is the manufacturing personnel, where it responsible to maintain equipment in the assembly process, monitoring and inspect product quality. It also includes high manual agility and ability to operate all the utensils and equipment. Last is the acquisition personnel, which are responsible in negotiating or determining the price of product at a reasonable price, and also soliciting delivery with a large or small quantity. Thank you.
My name is Tiu Suwei, number metric 2797011. I would like to talk about mission, vision, and objective. The mission for our company is to provide a faster and more economical network product, which is TuneTalk SIM card, and also to provide regular, faster, and economical network and services. The vision for our WeTalk Co. is to become a trustworthy company. Second, to be widely known by the community in Malaysia. And third, it's easier for the community to obtain. Next, we have few objectives for our company, which is first, to increase the sales rate by 20% for each month to increase profit. Second, to identify, upgrade to be done with conduct user feedback analysis research on TuneTalk network and other networks on a monthly basis. Third, to facilitate the identification of incoming and outgoing expenses by reviewing the financial report once a month without any defects. Fourth, to facilitate the review of sales records by upgrading the method of recording all operations using digital in the next month. Fifth, to increase employee income generation by train employees as distributors of TuneTalk network for 2 people each month. And last is to ensure information can be clearly communicated to TuneTalk users and others by analyzing the relevant marketing platforms from time to time according to the suitability of target area. That's all.
Hi, my name is Nur Fatiha and I will explain about the management function. There are 4 types of management function that commonly used today, which include processes of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. The main purpose of this management function is to consider what is required by this management function as well as to find out how it works so that our management can run smoothly. So firstly, I will go through on first type of management function, which is planning. Planning is a process involves setting objective and determine the action to be taken to achieve those objectives. We have 3 planning for our company that can make the organization achieve desired success. Firstly, is planning for target market. The main problem that customer always have to face is telecommunication plan is always unstable and have slow line access. This problem also often faced by those who live in rural areas and they have to pay the cost of the plan at expensive price. For the solution, we aim to market our product to local market which cover the entire area in Malaysia and not limited to specific area only. And also, our product can be able to achieve the satisfaction level because user can use a more stable line everywhere without high production cost. Secondly is planning for marketing and promotion. For marketing strategy, we have used a social media platform such as Facebook and Instagram to promote our product, which is TuneTalk SIM card. This method is used because social media platform is the place that get more response and can make easier for us to convey information or promote our product to customer. Lastly is planning to overcome competition. The main problem is there are many major competitors in the SIM card business and communication network available in Malaysia, such as DG, Maxi, Celcom, and XOX. Each of these communication network has offered a good plan to attract their customer. So to overcome this problem, our company will provide our customer with efficient and a good service, which is provide a good quality of internet data with 5G network at cheaper price. We also have a larger wire network and are not focused on urban areas only.
Is the principle related to the function to plan, organize, lead, control, and operate a work process efficiently and effectively in order to achieve organization goal. Management is a very important and necessary to run all types of organization. While the organization can be defined as a group of people who work together to achieve the goal and individual, group, and organization itself. With this testing of the organization will be able to build a good and strong relationship can be helped in ensuring the movement of the organization become more orderly. Our WeTalk company also has organizational management like other company in Malaysia. Our company has made the division of tasks through an organization chart that has been set according to the hierarchy that has three levels of position, namely the top floor and followed by the middle floor and finally by the ground floor. Organizational resilience looking at the state of the world today. Organizations not only need to be prepared to face disruption and risk that been anticipated in planning alone, but also need to be prepared to face something that is beyond the planning and expectation of the organization. This is because the failure of the organization is not only caused by financial crisis, but also can be caused by other management failure. Therefore, organization need a framework as a guideline in order to achieve an excellent level of resilience that allow an organization to be able to continue operation both under normal circumstances and also in face to disruption and crisis. Our company has made preparation in the define of the organization. The main purpose of every management plan carried out by our company against their organization is to achieve excellent resilience of the management plan. In other words, the management plan will fail its output does not achieve excellent resilience. The following is the resilience of the organization has result or output from other management plan. Therefore, to ensure that our company has good organizational resilience, we have made a plan in a paper by making adaptations to the rapid change of the environment, especially change to the situation and context. In dealing with change, organization can active testing strategy, modify existing strategy, or create or implement new strategy.
The experience that we have makes the plan have the skill to target customer and also the ability to manage the business more systematically and maturely. This is because its aim to make this singkat business and effective business and benefit for the public. The experience of my team member is also one of the factor for the success the Tune Talk singkat business. We have the skill in terms of interacting customer as well as good culture service. The advantages that our company have made the description of this Tune Talk singkat product clearer to user. However, showing our singkat business enterprise is different compared to other business enterprise in terms of service and also information to customer. We value effective explanation in order to give a clear explanation to customer about the advantages of Tune Talk singkat as well as respect for customer and for our company WeTalk.
In conclusion, opening a new organization requires perfect plans, and the organization that we chooses to open one day is WeTalk Co. and sells Tune Talk SIM cards. Opening this organization is a great idea because all the past has been organized perfectly. The process of marketing is being taken thoroughly by the management team. The strategies for our product is also not outdated and can be used for long-term strategies. All the organization team and management team have its own skill and advantages, which mean can make the Witoko a rising organization and gain more profits. The advantages that the company have will help us to outpace our competitors.